Hi friends, I am Jack here. In this video, I am going to show you how to record audio on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, grab your phone, open the voice recorder app. If you not find it, you can install it in the Google Play Store. After that, you can find the red microphone icon at the bottom. Simply tap on it and start recording. Here you can speak anything if you want to record. For example, if you record to pause it, simply tap on this icon to automatically pause it. To again resume, simply tap on the red circle button. Again, audio recording resume. However, your audio record is complete. To save it, this time you can find the square icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it, then give it a name if you like. For example, I am type this name. You like, you can type anything if you like. After you have successfully typed the name, simply hit save button and automatically save the audio recording in your phone. To play it, simply tap on it and easily play them. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide will help you. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Goodbye.